we only have 20-30 minutes if we want to find a good spot for the parade. Back at Disneyland. I need to figure out where the parade starts because I think we're going to wait there versus where it ends. I believe it ends here on Main Street. And I believe it starts over by Small World, but we're going to check and see. All right, we just finished the parade. It's 3:20, 3:15. Brendan loved it. Brendan's obsessed with it. Wants to see it again. No, it's fine. It's just the song repeats over and over and over and over again, and there's no like, you know how sometimes they change the song.
It's a small ride into a parade.
You know how sometimes they change the song with like a little bit, like depending if it's princesses or whatever.
Or just have like 2 or 3 extra songs.
This one is the same song over and over again until it gets to Santa, and then it's a different song. I will say some of the costumes seem a little bit outdated. Not our favorite. It's not bad. Worth the wait? I don't know. Now we're heading over to Disney California Adventures for another parade with the same song. No, I'm just kidding. No, it was fine. It was just a lot of the same song. And then on the way out, we're following the parade, right? On the way out, so we even heard it on the way out. The weather's getting better. We did find a spot that had like sitting kind of and shade kind of, so that worked out fine, I think. But yeah, we're gonna do festival holiday, like the little parade over here, maybe pick up some food, head over to the hotel for a break, and then come back out at night. The parks are closed until 10 and the other one at midnight, so we really don't have to come back until the shows, but it just depends what we want to do. But yeah, so excited. I have to use the restroom, kind of. All right, we're at Disney California Adventures. Brendan got the Savory Pass, and you can order everything all at once. Merry Mashup, and I think he got this one, the Holiday Mash Bowl, chicken cheddar, mashed potatoes. This looks interesting. Brendan's gonna walk and eat. This is what I showed you earlier at the mashup place. We'll see what he thinks. Finished the bowl. He said it's on par with a KFC bowl. I didn't know KFC had bowls, but I guess it's.
You like them?
They have bowls?
Yeah, it's like the mashed potatoes. They put all the stuff into a bowl.
Oh.
You've had it before, no?
I don't think so. I always get the popcorn chicken and the mashed potatoes. Okay, Brendan is now at the holiday duet, and this is where you get the mac and cheese. So you can either get savory, chorizo, or half and half. He did the half and half, and he said he would get the Thanksgiving one again,
The holiday bowl?
the holiday bowl again. He would pay full price for a bigger portion, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the regular portion.
All right, Brendan got the duet, and it's, I don't know how to say this one. It's chorizo, and then the other one I don't know how to pronounce.
Krugel.
Krugel. And not Krugel. We'll see what he thinks.
So we had sour cream and onion, put in the mac and cheese.
Sour cream, onion, mac and cheese. We'll see if he has a favorite. So we'll get, usually his reaction is better once he finishes, and then we know if he actually liked it or not. We went to Winter Sliderland, that's cute. And he got, there's a pastor and a beef brisket. Sorry, did you get the slider al pastor or the brisket? Al pastor. Looks interesting. Hi everyone, it's been hours. We came back to the room. I don't know where I left you off. We saw the parade, not parade, at Disney California Adventures. We then saw the I really should have looked up these names. Celebration of the Family. That's not it at all. And then we picked up a chimichanga. We picked up a pupusa, which is cheese and beans, which was okay. It's kind of like the tamales during the Halloween season, where you could tell it's like frozen and they just warm them up. So it was okay. I don't know how much it was, but I don't know that it was worth it. More than $4, probably not worth it. I did get an ice cream from Cozy Cone. I always recommend you go and do a pickup order because the lines are always insane there. So Cozy Cone, put a pickup order, especially for ice cream, out of everything. And then we headed over. Brendan got his last savory pass, and he got himself the chicken bowl again, right?
Holiday mash.
Holiday mash. He liked it, so he went for another one, and that's how he used his fourth. And then we walked back to the hotel. I watched Shark Tank. He watched football. We rested our feet, and now we're going back out. We're gonna try to make both shows, the Disneyland and the Disney California one. So yeah, and we need to get cookies too, because our cookie pickup was at 7, but we weren't about to leave for cookies. So hopefully we can just get in line and wait for cookies. But yeah, just wanted to catch you up on what we've done so far. We made it. There's no one at security, of course. People are transferring though from DCA to Disneyland, which makes sense for the show. But look how pretty the lights are on the top. The tree is on and it's gorgeous.
Was there a show?
Yeah, they do a tree lightning.
Oh.
And then they do a castle lightning.
Oh,
Snow! And the stores are empty. Beautiful! Covering my drink. Oh, the castle is so pretty. But we're on a mission. We're gonna get B and me some biscuits, a hoodie, another hoodie, maybe a snack, and then we're gonna plop ourselves somewhere.
Your attention, please. Due to winds at higher elevations, our nighttime spectacular, Believe in Holiday Magic, cannot be presented as scheduled. We apologize.
All right, so after hurrying up with the cookies and buying the jackets, we sat down at Main Street to get a spot for fireworks, but because of the wind, they canceled the fireworks. But we don't feel any wind, and I saw on one of the Facebook groups that they also canceled it yesterday, so c'est la vie. And I think, well, this is our last night here. I think tomorrow is technically the last night for the fireworks for the holidays, but it's a big bummer. I think it'd be a bigger bummer if we came if we came far away, or this was like, you know, the only time we got to see them. It would be a huge bummer. We're just gonna pivot. We're gonna do the Disney California Adventure Show anyway, so it'll be okay. All right, Brenda's going to the restroom, so I'm gonna go see if I can spend more money. Ornaments. A lot of ornaments left, actually. These were on sale too. At the outlets. That was at the outlets. Can't remember. These were at the outlets. Stitch holiday cereal. So food is 50% off, it looks like. I am after some almonds or a salty snack. Ratatouille. Oh, it's a Magic Key Holder exclusive. Festival of the Holidays. Magic Key. I mean, what a flex. 2024. First and last year we had Magic Key. All right, we are in Disney California Adventures. We just wanted to walk down Hollywood Boulevard. I don't know if that's what this is called. To see the lights and see if they decorate Avengers Campus. Oh, the park does close in 14 minutes. So you might have to do a...
No, that's not even shown on there.
Oh. We was interested in maybe a Pimp's drink, but the park closes at 10 even though the show's at 10:15. All right, good news. They were opened. Maybe not for mobile order, but they were open for order and pick up. So that is not my boy. But he does have a small line. It's Captain America. It's 9:51 though, so we're gonna get skedaddling, as they say.
Oh, just...
But yeah, it's nice and empty, actually. You can dance. There's room for recreations.
There's no decorations over here yet.
There's nothing, huh? Yeah. 9:56. The park is really, really quiet. We'll see if we even need the virtual queue, honestly. Or if they're even like honoring it. Okay, so yeah, the virtual queue didn't matter at 10:15. I don't think it ever matters. At least both times that we've done it at 10:15, it didn't matter. But now my husband wants to go all the way to the front. So we're guaranteed to get wet. Hopefully this doesn't make us sick. Sorry, Mom, when you're watching this. We're going home straight after this, I promise. Okay, we are back to the Anaheim Hotel. So I believe I caught you up that there was no fireworks show at Disneyland. There was still a castle show with lights, so we still could have stayed, but we figured now let's head over to Disney California Adventures. We got my chocolate covered almonds. B got his beer, as you saw, and then we headed over to World of Color, but it's like the holiday edition. It was really nice, but my feet are hurting so bad. But it was really, really nice. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. We have another morning at Disneyland tomorrow, so check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see all of our adventures. And until next time.